In this video, we will demonstrate the benefits and proper use of the Lippert Flat Rate Chart. In the site navigation at the top, select Support. Then select Warranty and then the interactive Flat Rate Chart. Once open, it is important to take note of the items on page 2 which help to identify the various items located throughout the flat rate chart which aid in navigation. On the next page is the table of contents. Clicking on any header in the table of contents will take you to the appropriate section of the flat rate chart. For our example, let's look for the line items for replacing a motor on a Schwintek in-wall slide-out system. As you can see, it takes us to the page with all the slide-outs. But we are looking for a Schwintek in particular, so we have to scroll down 2 pages to find it. The first line item is what we are looking for. The video icon indicates a video related to the repair or replacement. You can click on the icon to access the video. The document icon indicates a specific document related to this product. You can click on this to access the document. Titles in blue are linked to a section of Lippert Support website for that product. Looking at the remainder of the information in the row, you will see 1 hour is the time allotment Lippert will allow to be submitted on a warranty claim for this repair. It also provides a yes or no answer for if the part needs to be returned, or if contact to Lippert Support is required prior to work being performed, and if a picture is required. Some products have notes at the bottom of the page for pictures and additional information. You can also click on the Table of Contents button at the bottom left of every page, and that will navigate you back to the Table of Contents. And finally, at the bottom of each page includes our contact information.